What's going on, everyone? It's Marcellus back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin and Baby Dogecoin today. So first things first, please hit that like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want to hear about next. All right, so let's get straight to it. Now, as you can see, we're doing this technical analysis first. We are now breaking our next support line of 27 cents, which is going to send us down to 25 cents and eventually 23 cents if we continue to drop and lose our price here inside of Dogecoin. Now, after this consolidation, we just started to break out inside this negative trend line. So maybe all of this was, we just got faked out. They call it the dead cat bounce, if you want to call it that, where you go all the way down to the bottom, and then if it kind of just fakes you out, it starts to go up and rise until it starts to go right back down. So hopefully it's nothing like that. Hopefully we actually continue to grow in price with Dogecoin. But according to this technical analysis and according to other people's technical analysis that I've reviewed, we are set to go down to about 25 cents, 22 cents, give or take. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but I'm just going over what I've went over and what other people have also went over. So now we'll go over what they're saying about their technical analysis, because this is what I'm saying. I say that, give or take, we're going to be down here about 23 cents, maybe by the end of I don't know. I don't want to put any dates on it. But if we continue on this downtrend, it's definitely 22 cents. So let's go over this. Now, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu is consolidating. Analysis predicts further drop in price. So Dogecoin accounts for 26% of Robinhood's revenue, blah, 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 as traders bought the meme coin aggressively. This does give Robinhood an incentive to actually do some kind of Dogecoin promotion. Maybe they start giving free Dogecoins for people who sign up. But yeah, Robinhood is very incentivized right now to make Dogecoin go big, because that's where most of the revenue is coming from. And they've also IPO'd, so it's also a big deal for them. So anyways, both Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have consolidated for the past 2 weeks. Analysis predict further meltdown in Shiba Inu theme coin, and Dogecoin correlation with Bitcoin is on the rise, and Dogecoin also prepares for a 30% drop, is what they're saying. So that a handful of wallet addresses hold nearly 91% of all Dogecoins. That's really crazy, and it's actually true. But anyways, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu gear up for nearly 30% drop. So I'm not going to talk about Shiba Inu. I'll talk about that in a separate video. But what we really want to talk about is Dogecoin. So Doge now over 60% down here. All right. So in the second quarter of 2021, Robinhood, the commission-free stock trading platform, blah blah blah, Dogecoin accounted for 26% of the exchanges and revenue of Robinhood. And then over here, despite aggressive Doge buying from traders on Robinhood, the meme coin's wealth distribution appears lopsided, with 91% of the people holding it, and that 91% is now selling what they're holding. Now, not all whales are selling, obviously, but whales are seeing that they're losing a lot of money. This whale went 87 million to 82 million, and just like, forget that. Not going to keep losing money. This whale kind of did something similar. They made a little bit of money, but yeah, a lot of whales, when they see their money go down by too much, they just end up selling it and, just selling their Dogecoins off. A lot of them are actually dumping off some of Dogecoins. So I don't want to act like this is all FUD, and, I don't want to, spread FUD, but let's just be real here. A lot of these whales are starting to sell off. And right here, you can see the last sell date for them. So I'm really just looking at the ones that are selling around now and, sometime around today. But anyways, this whale does nothing but sell. But that's all small transactions with that whale. But anyways, let's keep going with our little technical analysis here. Now, down here, you can see whale wallets account for less than 1% of the total Dogecoin addresses on the Doge network. So analysis and traders heavily criticize the centralization of Dogecoin supply. This criticism likely accounts for a drop in interest of traders in the Shiba Inu themed crypto. So in the case of the Shiba Inu coin, the community is awaiting a listing on Robinhood or Coinbase exchange platforms. Neither exchange has issued blah blah blah. So all in all, you can see here, analysis at FX Street have predicted that the altcoin's price is preparing for a 30% crash since it lost critical support earlier this week. The next price target is 22 cents. So yes, we did lose some critical support. We broke down below our 30-cent range, and we knew if we went below 30 cents, if we broke out of this whole consolidation here, it was going to be really bad for us. And we broke right out of that consolidation, and now we're going straight down. So they're predicting that we go down to 22 cents. Now, hopefully we don't go all the way down to 22 cents, but that's really low. But either way, it's like if we do go down to 22 cents, it'll only be temporary, and then over time we'll start to gain more price action. And you already know all it takes is one tweet from Elon Musk to make Dogecoin go crazy parabolic. So anyways, this other technical analysis person is also saying 22 cents is that next line we're about to hit. So Dogecoin might lose 30% in price headed to 22 cents. So a lot of them are saying this. It's not just one person, it's a lot of people. Now, Dogecoin now faces a major downturn after losing a key support level, with the price proceeding towards the 22-cent level. So over here, they also referenced the place that we were just now at. But anyways, Dogecoin is headed towards the 22-cent price level after losing the location at 30 cents. That was our support. And then the results in a downturn of 32% is happening. So hopefully we can break past this, but everybody's kind of seeing this inside the market because everything's really going to follow Bitcoin. Let's be honest. If Bitcoin just starts going parabolic right now, Dogecoin is going to do the same exact thing. And right now, Bitcoin's dominance is at 44%. We got Bitcoin down 1.57% for the last 24 hours, and you can got it up 5% for the last 7 days. Bitcoin at $47,000. So we are still following Bitcoin. Dogecoin has not swerved off the Bitcoin path. It's still following Bitcoin. Everything's still following Bitcoin predominantly. So, anyways, if Bitcoin does well, we're all gonna do well. So the next thing, Three Arrows Capital CEO Su Zhu outlines his bullish thesis for Dogecoin. So it's not all bearish. We got some bullish thesis here from Su Zhu, the CEO of Three Arrows. Now, let's read what he's talking about here. So, Three Arrows Capital CEO Su Zhu is bullish on Dogecoin because it's easy to understand and captures the attention of blue collar traders. So, Three Arrows Capital CEO Su Zhu, whatever his name is, has outlined the bullish thesis. Speaking on Wednesday's episode of the Game Theory of Crypto podcast, Su stated that he's keen on Dogecoin because the meme coin has captured more interest from blue collar traders from any other crypto on the market. So during the interview, Zhu pointed toward data from popular retail trading app Robinhood, which posted its second quarter revenue. So that was all the second quarter revenue that they're talking about up here. But anyways, he says this is something that I think is mirrored as well now. Interestingly, across Coinbase, I mean, a few days ago, Doge volume was higher than Ether. Doge volume higher than Ethereum. That's big. And then he said, people want to trade Doge, which is pretty true. Cointelegraph reported on July 19th that Doge trading volume reached almost $1 billion in quarter two. In comparison, the beloved meme coin's average daily volume in Q1 was only $74 million. So a whole $1 billion in volume for Q2 for Dogecoin. That's a lot of money flowing through Dogecoin. And it's pretty much all thanks to Elon Musk, let's be honest. But yeah, the Three Arrows Capital CEO emphasized that Doge has 4 times the name brand recognition over Ethereum in communities not well versed in crypto, as he echoed Musk's sentiments of Doge being the people's cryptocurrency. He outlined that anyone can own whole amounts of it. Even the man who drinks beer can understand it, he says. If you just look on social media, you look on Twitter, Instagram, Doge is the only coin where you can see a woman showing another woman and not being paid to do so, but just doing so because she likes the coin. So that is their thesis on why Dogecoin is going to be big. I don't know how sound this thesis is, but I guess if you trust them based off of their CEO rankings, the Three Arrows Capital, then I guess you can roll with that. But I definitely do believe Doge is going to be bullish over time because it is the people's coin. People love it. People love the memes surrounding it. People love memes in general. So all it takes is for one little tweet to make this thing go viral. And Dogecoin is the type of thing that is gonna go viral every single year. Somehow something's gonna happen for it to go viral. Dogecoin going viral is like a random meme going viral. Like it's going to happen, but we don't know when or how it's gonna happen, but it's gonna happen. So Dogecoin is definitely gonna go viral again. We just gotta wait for our next viral moment. All right. Now let's go over Baby Dogecoin. Baby Dogecoin only had one viral moment, and that is with well, it had two. It had the NASCAR thing, but the main thing was with Elon Musk tweeting the Baby Doge, the Baby Shark song, saying Baby Doge instead. And if he does something like that again, Baby Doge probably will get some more price action. But for now, as you can see, Baby Dogecoin is still down 2.8% in the last 24 hours, down 10% in the last 7 days, down 28% in the last 14 days, and down 30% in the last 30 days. So Baby Dogecoin is still down altogether. all in all, it's still down. But anyways, $441 million inside Baby Dogecoin. Something I always see that's very prevalent in Baby Dogecoin. You always see these really big jumps here, followed by a downtrend. Really big jump followed by a downtrend. This is just whales buying in huge and then selling progressively over time. Whales buying in huge again, selling progressively over time. Whales buying it again and selling progressively over time. These whales are making a lot of profit off of doing this, and it's strategic. So there's really no way around it. The only way around it is to not invest in it. But anyways, I'm not saying buy or sell Baby Dogecoin. I'm not saying either one, but it just depends on your risk factor, what you're willing to do. Never invest more than what you're willing to lose. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Do what you want to do with Baby Dogecoin. But yeah, just bringing you here the facts with Baby Dogecoin and where we're at with it. It still has potential. I'm not gonna lie, definitely still has potential, and they're still doing good things like donating to charities for dogs, and they're also having these NASCAR promotions. So they're still doing good things in the crypto space, burning Baby Dogecoins. We're gonna go over that too. But look at this: 573,000 people holding Baby Dogecoin. That's 573,284. Let's hit that refresh button, and now 573,304. So a whole 20 people just now invested in Baby Dogecoin within the last 7-10 minutes, give or take, somewhere around there. But anyways, let's go on to the next thing with Baby Dogecoin. So we just now hit the 20,000 retweets on this tweet that they had. And the tweet said, to celebrate our 3-month birthday party with the community, we will be burning at least 2 quadrillion Doge. But if this tweet gets 20,000 K plus retweets, then we will burn at least 2 quadrillion more. So now they're going to be burning 4 quadrillion Baby Doge on the 1st of September. 4 quadrillion Baby Doge. That's a lot of Baby Doge that's getting burned straight to the ground. And as you can see with Baby Doge is 420 quadrillion. Like this is million, billion, trillion, quadrillion. So we have 420 quadrillion Baby Doge coins total. They're about to burn 4 more. So that 4 more is about to enter the burn wallet. This is the burn address right here. Already 35% has been burned, which is 147 quadrillion Baby Doge. Now we're about to get 4 quadrillion Baby Doge burned. So now it's about to be 151 quadrillion burned. So that's a lot burned. And it's probably going to end up being like 10, $20 million, something like that, somewhere around there. But anyways, let's go on to the next thing with Baby Dogecoin. So yep, we just now went over this burn. It's about to happen on the 1st of September. And now the Gate.io exchange. So today is the official day of its launch time of phase 1 inside Gate.io. So you can hodl and you can earn your Baby Dogecoins. It's pretty much like a staking thing. You got the 100% APR going on. So no handling fee. So big news here going on. And they didn't say handling fee. They said handling because they ain't handling no fees over there. But anyways, this is big news right here. Gate.io is a pretty big exchange. A lot of people are using it. 290K followers here on Twitter. They're a really big exchange. A lot of people like it. But anyways, this is all I got, guys. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But if you do like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. And check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.